So hello dear students, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about front end versus back end. You might have heard about the front end in a coding or in a web development. You have heard about the front end, and the another word is back end. So we are going to discuss about these both topics in a short way, so that you will be able to understand in the further videos that what is front end and what is back end. So first of all, we should know that front-end development. Actually, the web development is of two types. First one is front-end development, that will be on the client side. The client means the person who is using the browser, or anyone, that can be anyone who is just using the browser. And second one is back-end development. So you can do any specialization in front-end developer or back-end developer, or any developer who are just doing specialization is both. It is known as full stack developer. That person has the information about the front end also and back end also, and this back end is on the server side. That means whatever the data you are entering, that is going in a servers, and that is storing in a somewhere in a hard disk or anywhere on the server. So that all the are done by server side or a backend development. Okay, so moving next, by looking at this picture I have found on internet, you can understand and what is front end and what is back end. Actually, have you seen this type of cloth or design on any cloth? You can see a good design here. The designs are made systematic way. You can see as a web, that if you are opening any web, you see everything is done in a systematic way. The things that are written, header and the content is in a too much systematic way. But in the back end, you don't know how all these things are made, how all these things are organized, and all has done by a good type of skills, that is known as backend development. The style format, the cascading style sheet, all things are used to make it more beautiful. But at the back end, when a user is putting any data, suppose you are filling a form online, you are putting any data, all the data are going to the back end, and all these things are saved in a back end anywhere in the server. So that is a kind of back end program. So moving next, these are the examples. Like if you are going to a client side, like HTML, CSS, these are the languages that you should know. Bootstrap, it seems to be a fancy word, but it is a kind of bootstrap means you are just editing some codes and making a useful website. JavaScript, it is a another form of programming language. React.js, these all are used in a front end developer, all used by front end developer. But in a server side, like you are using entering any data on any website, all the things are just saved on a back end. Like data are used saved by using Python. Python is one of the famous language for that. Django, Node.js, MySQL, MongoDB, all things are the all are the languages that are used by the backend developer to save the data or anything that we have entered. MySQL is the one of the best software to save the data at the backend. According to every developer, all the languages are on their own priority, but the person to person is different. But these are the languages used by the backend developer. But a person who knows both front end developer and backend developer is known as full stack developer, because this person has the knowledge about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, React.js, and also the server side Python, Node.js, MySQL, and MongoDB, all these languages. So hope you have understood what is the difference between front-end developer and back-end developer, or front-end side or back-end side. So hope you have understood. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is the one of the best video of this series. I have uploaded so many videos just before this video. You can watch that by clicking the playlist link linked in the description, or you can just visit my profile or any my YouTube channel, and you can just subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.